Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to crop your video on the Filmmaker Pro application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the New Project button at the upper side of the screen and go to the plus icon at the lower left corner of the page. Select a video and click to the video clip. New, go to the last option, the crop, and new you can mirror your video clip, you can flip, rotate or edit the size. And just set this, and if you finish, click to the OK button. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.